Picture looking up one night and the moon isn't grey anymore, it's a mirrorball, the exact same size and weight as the real thing, throwing light in every direction. The real moon is a bad mirror, it only reflects about 12% of the sunlight hitting it. Actual mirrored glass reflects closer to 90. Swap one for the other and our disco moon would shine about 8 times brighter than the real one, bright enough to read by outside, easily. Except a disco ball is mostly hollow, a light foam core under a thin mirrored shell. Scale that up and it weighs almost nothing next to the real moon. To match the moon's actual mass, whatever's inside has to be roughly 100 times denser than foam, solid rock or metal, not packing material. And that much mass packed into a sphere squeezes itself inward with enormous force. Every layer is being crushed by the weight of everything above it. Mirrored glass doesn't come close to surviving that pressure. The shell would crack apart within moments of forming. Swap the shell for solid diamond instead, and you buy a little more time. But at this scale, even diamond gets crushed past its limit near the surface. Either way, gravity wins. Within minutes the glitter is gone, and within centuries the wreckage settles back into an ordinary round moon. One thing that never changes through all of this: the tides. Same total mass means Earth's oceans wouldn't notice the swap at all. It's the same reason every large moon and planet in the universe ends up round. Past a certain size, gravity beats the strength of any material there is. So enjoy the light show. It's the brightest for seconds in lunar history, and after that, you're right back to the same old moon.